Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of the start of the Forex trading Euro USD. So this analysis is for 7th May only. You'll see me next week again with the analysis for the coming week. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see, I'm using the weekly time frame. Okay, if you watch my previous videos, then you know it very well that I focus on the multi time frame analysis, and consulting a higher time frame is very much essential to get the idea about the bigger picture. And we can see that the weekly time frame has formed a green candle with price rejection from below. It looks like a hammer kind of a pattern. So generally this kind of a pattern suggests that yes, bulls are still under bulls are under pressure. Bulls are not under pressure, they are dominating the market right now. Okay, so that's a good sign. And as of now, we can see that there is no prominent support or resistance level in the market in the weekly chart. Okay, so one thing that we got from the weekly chart is that bulls are dominating the market as of now. Okay, now let's switch to the our beloved 4 hours time frame. So this is the 4 hours time frame, and as we all know, market was in downtrend. After that, market broke the support here, and as I've shown you in my yesterday's video, market is in consolidation right now. Okay, you can see that if you just focus on this part, okay, if you just focus on this part, you can see that market is in consolidation. Okay, market is in consolidation. There is not much trend present in the market. Market is just trading in between a tight range. Okay, market is so what do we need to do then? Let me show you. So you can easily see that we can draw the demand and supply zones. This is the resistance level for the market, and this is the support for the market. Okay, and you just need to focus on this part. Okay, from 30th April, from this candle, you just need to focus on the market. And as you can see right now, this is the resistance and this is the support, and market is just trying to cross the resistance. Okay, which means that buyers are trying to push the price upside towards the up, but there is, you can see that there is some price rejection from above, which means that sellers are still present in the market and they are not allowing the price to go up that easily. Okay, so there is a war going on between the bulls and the bears. So what we should do then? So in a market like this, okay, in a market like this, if you are a complete beginner, then you can avoid the market and wait for the market to cross either this level, this resistance level, or this support level. On the other hand, if you have got experience in trading and if you have been trading for quite some time, then you can make some good amount of money in a range bound market also. Right now you can see that market is getting price rejection from above. If market fails to cross this level 1.2077, okay, this is the resistance for the market, and 1.987, sorry, 1.1987, this is the support for the market. Okay, so this is the resistance and this is the support. If you are a beginner and you do not want to trade in a range bound market, then you can quit. This is your no trading zone. Okay, you just wait for the market to cross this level. Okay, when market will cross this level, okay, wait for 3 to 4 hours and just see how the price is doing. If you see that price is trading comfortably after 3 to 4 hours, there is no price struggle, then you can go for a buy above this level. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, this support level, okay, then again you need to wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the price. Yes, observing the price and understanding the psychology is the main thing. Okay, if you do not understand the market psychology, or if you fail to understand the market psychology, then you'll have a tough time in trading. So how to understand the market psychology? Okay, when market will cross this support level, then just watch the candle, how the price is doing, how the candle is doing. If you see that after 3 to 4 hours, the price is not struggling, okay, price is trading comfortably, okay, which mean, and you see that sellers are dominating, okay, sellers are dominating, there is no price struggle, sellers are heavily controlling the market, okay, then you can short the market below this level 1.19 1.1987 at this level. On the other hand, if market crosses this level, then also you need to wait for 3 to 4 hours and then just observe the price, okay, just observe the price and see how the price is doing. If you see that after 3 to 4 hours price is not struggling, price is trading comfortably, the resistance has become the support, then you can go for a buy above this line, okay, and you can avoid trading in this zone. This is your no trading zone. But if you have got experience, okay, as I've already mentioned in previous few minutes back, if you have got experience and you know how to trade in a range bound market, then you can go for trading in this zone. If market reverses from here, if market reverses from here, then you can short the market here, because see, market is also in overbought zone, okay. If market forms a shooting star kind of a pattern or price rejection from above, you can short the market here. And when market will reach this point, then again observe the price. If you see that market has received the required support, market is about to bounce from here, then you can go for a buy here. So this is your buy level and this is your sell level if you want to range in this short range. And if you do not want to trade in a range bound market and you are looking for a good, nice and clean opportunity, then wait for the market to cross either this resistance level or this support level, okay. And if market crosses this level, then this will be your target 1.2150. So this is the analysis and strategy for Euro USD for 7th May 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you so much. All the best. See you next week. Bye bye.